সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল আইকনটিতে প্রেস করে দিন। আমরা আরও এরকম ভিডিও আনতে থাকব।
Good morning. The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate how to correctly make a professional looking letterhead. A lot of people think the letterhead just belongs on the first couple lines of the document, but that's a mistake. What you want to do is you want to say view, header, footer. You want to place the letterhead in the header part of the document. The first thing you want to do is you may want to make your business name or your personal name big and noticeable. So I like to use 26 point, bold, italic, center it, and you can choose a gorgeous color for your font if you'd like. I'm going to choose okay. Now typically the contact information that goes underneath your name is going to be 10 points. So we're going to change it to 10 point first. Get rid of the bold, get rid of the italic, get rid of the green. We're going to hit enter. And now we're going to click on the left. As we enter our address, you can hit tab, and that will center the city, state, and zip code. Remember, there's a comma after the city. The state should have 2 capital letters, 2 spaces after that before the zip code. There we go. We also like to have a horizontal rule separating the person's name and contact information. And to get that, you're simply going to click up here in the border tool, and you're going to select the top border. Now that'll only work if your cursor is down here at the bottom. If your cursor is up here on this word and you select the top border, it's going to put the border above your name. Okay, we've got our name, we've got our border. Now we need to jazz up our letterhead by inserting some clip art. I'm going to search for a picture of an apple. And I'm going to choose this guy right here. Alright, now if you look at him, 2 things jump out. He's huge. Okay, and he's got squares around him. Squares are bad, circles are good. So we're going to go to the little doggy on the picture toolbar. He's right here. Little picture toolbar. I'm going to click on the dog, which is text wrapping. We're going to choose in front of text, because I want my apple to show up. And I'm going to resize my apple. Remember, a letterhead should never be any more than 2 inches tall. I'm going to place my apple right here. Okay, notice because I chose in front of text, what's happening to my horizontal rule of my name? Well, they sort of disappeared. So I can right click on the picture, go to format picture, go to the layout, and I can choose behind text. That's just another way of doing it. I can drag my apple right over here. I can place it wherever I want to place it. Double click. You see my letterhead is all grayed out. That means it's all in the header. Mission accomplished.